Here guys, I have the Quest 3S 128GB model. I've never used a VR before. Here we go, the nosy park is here. Here we are, he's in the box, he's gonna climb inside now. What did I tell you? Look, he sat inside the box. I don't know why, but he always does it. And then this thing goes all right inside of here like this. Glasses spacer. All right, that's if you wear glasses. I don't need that, do I? And then I think these are the controllers. First time playing VR boxing. And look at that. I'm absolutely sweating. That is really good, that, I'm not gonna lie. Oh God, I mean, for a workout, especially if you can't be bothered going outside exercising. It's one boxing match I've just done, and I am I'm dripping. I need to wash my face now. I am shattered. Now MetaQuest 3, that boxing game, what was it called? Thrill of the Night. I've seen they got number 2 as well, but number 2 is better for multiplayer online. But the first one's got really good reviews, so I thought I'd give it a bash. It was only like £8. And the one round, I was absolutely knackered after one round. Anyways, I finished one match off, had a 10-minute break, went for match 2, and by the end of it, I was absolutely dripping in sweat. I've had to wash my face off, redo my hair. I'm in the car now, going to the tip. Got some errands to do, but I'm still bloody tired. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do that every day. If I could try and get a match in every day, that's some good exercise, that. Because even now, I still feel it in my bones. Like in my arms, especially in my arms, I feel it a lot. So I'd like to give you my take on the MetaQuest 3S. And well, obviously, this is the only VR I've ever played. That game I played was called Thrill of the Night. And it was the first one. We were looking online, apparently people say the first one is really good for single player. Number 2 is good for multiplayer, but I thought I'd try this one because it did seem, the graphics did seem a lot better because there's a big graphics difference. But I played 2 rounds on that, and I kid you not, I was literally sweating. I took it off, I had to wash my face, cool off, and I had to redo all my hair and everything. My take would be, would I play it again? Yeah. Would I recommend buying it? I would, yeah. Because you can use it for exercise. You can put it on and you can have 3 windows open. So you can have like the App Store, YouTube, another web page. I mean, these are just little things that I've just like tried on the first go, move things around. It does take a bit getting used to, like the boundary and all that. But once you work that out, it's pretty straightforward. And for a lot of stuff as well, you can use your fingers. Like, you know, when you turn it on, you don't need the controller. You can use your fingers to click like that. But when you switch it on for the first time, it does tell you, you know, how to the basics. Tells you the basics and how to get around and move things around and use the controllers and use your fingers. So I mean, there's probably stuff that you can do which I've not even come across yet. But I'm sure the kids will teach me, because obviously, you know what kids are like. They'll go through everything, find everything out. Consider subscribing and hit the like button for more. Thank you.